Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, we're going to take a look at a NEO, a Near-Earth Object 2023 VA, going past the Earth right now as I do this video at 0.1 LD. And I'll share with you guys something I've noticed whenever we have these very close calls of asteroids coming that close to the Earth. They usually don't travel alone. So we'll come back and take a look at that video here in just a moment. Also, people expressed an interest in revisiting the debris field videos that I posted here a few days ago. That one there by Nelson, and then this one here by Jesus in the southeastern sky. All of this activity, what does it mean? We're going to come back and take a look at those videos here in a moment. I've also got video footage over in the eastern hemisphere of a mysterious object in the nighttime sky, and a real cool video sent in by Kevin of some colorful clouds in the daytime sky in the vicinity of the sun. But first, over here at the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Anonymous of some super cool looking, what look like louvers in the sky. Those are some sort of roll clouds, and they all look alike in the daytime sky, very low to the ground. Super cool photo, once again, sent in by Anonymous. Thanks for sharing. Checking in on the GOES X-ray flux over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center. A couple of large M-class solar flares in the last 24 hours. And here's why. Looking at the Earth-facing side of the sun, new active regions and sunspots are developing very, very quickly. And there's another large active region right back here on the southeastern limb of the sun that's turning towards the Earth right now as I do this video. Looking at the Schumann resonance, it too has been very active here in just the last 12 hours. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. Earthquake activity up here at Mammoth Vault, the northeast entrance, and over here along the northwestern part of the caldera at Hebgen Lake. That's the location of the largest earthquake ever recorded at Yellowstone, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake back in 1959. Also showing some activity here at Madison River. Those are localized earthquake signatures, and there's a lot of them. Almost looks like some swarm activity going on at the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera. I want to touch base real quick on this massive storm system that's moving into the Pacific Northwest right now as I do this video. It's been moving in for the last 12 to 18 hours. It's taken out power in multiple states, looking at over 30,000 customers in Washington without power, just over 11, almost 12,000 customers in California without power, 1,459 in Oregon without power. And this storm reaches well up into southern Canada in the Vancouver area. It's currently moving through Idaho, Montana as it makes its way to the east-northeast. A massive storm system currently moving through the Pacific Northwest. Have video footage of the sky that does not contain massive storms. Video by Kevin Mitchum of some super colorful clouds. This phenomenon can be created by a lot of different things. Could be gases in the atmosphere, could be ice, could be some sort of dust in the atmosphere. I've seen this too from time to time out here in Arizona, and it is quite cool to see. Thank you, Kevin. Really appreciate that. Want to take you guys now over to the Eastern Hemisphere, Macedonia. Video footage sent in by Martin of a very colorful light in the nighttime sky. 9/15 of 2023, Martin shared this video of something in the sky that wasn't an airplane, wasn't a helicopter. We see these every once in a while, but I've never gotten one from this part of the world. And there it is again over in the Eastern Hemisphere, this unusual looking light that's not an airplane, not a helicopter, doesn't make any sound, just kind of moves through the sky very quietly, appears to be rotating, just like we've seen over here in the Western Hemisphere. Here it showed up in the Eastern Hemisphere. Video footage sent in by Martin from September 15th of 2023. Thank you, Martin. Really appreciate that. I wanted to touch base on this NEO. I'm over here at spaceweather.com, and the list has grown up to 2,349. I can remember when that was at around 200, so they're finding these things pretty much on a daily basis now, and there's one cruising past the Earth right now about the size of a small bus at 21 feet in diameter, 0.1 LD. 1 LD is the distance between the Earth and the Moon. 0.1 LD, that's much closer to the Earth than it is to the Moon. We're talking about 23,000 miles above the Earth, and again, this is going past the Earth right now as I do this video. So look in tonight's nighttime sky, because typically these things don't travel alone, and when they get this close to the Earth, you'll see a stray meteor here and there. I've noticed an increase in meteor activity be when these things do come that close to the Earth. So if you're outside in the nighttime sky and it's not cloudy in your location, make sure you look up into the nighttime sky. You might see a stray meteor that's traveling along with 2023 VA that may get pulled into the atmosphere. And here's a sky map and the current location of the near-Earth object. Right here's the orbit of planet Earth. That's the blue ring you see right there. Look at how close that thing is, 2023 VA. That is a super close call. And once again, those things typically don't travel alone. So if you're outside tonight or tomorrow night, make sure you look up into the nighttime sky. You might see a stray meteor or two. I wanted to revisit this debris field video that was sent in. This first one by Jesus, and here's all the activity that he spotted in the southeastern sky. He just pointed his camera up into the southeastern sky, and this appeared in his camera. Those aren't airplanes or helicopters. Those are unknown white objects moving around in the nighttime sky. And the bright points of light in the background are stationary stars. And it reminds me a lot of this video footage here from the International Space Station sent in by Nelson Jinx. And it looked like the space station went through a debris field above the Earth. Look at all the activity over there on the right. Looks like it's snowing up there. And it's not just limited to the dark side of the Earth. Right there you can see them on the daytime side of the Earth. So it definitely looks like Earth is engulfed in some sort of new debris field. Maybe it's a large unknown comet that's swarming the Earth, and we've entered the tail of this large comet. That's why we're seeing so much of this type of activity above the Earth, especially from the ISS live cam. We're seeing this now pretty much on a weekly basis, it seems like. And this type of activity here is something new. We've never seen this type of activity on the ISS live cam, not to this degree. That is a lot of activity over there on the right-hand side especially, and they're moving at various speeds and in some cases various directions. They're going in all different kinds of directions, which leads me to believe that maybe it's some sort of a debris field from a very large comet that we've entered here in the last few weeks. If you guys have any ideas, leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. You can always find a link down below in the description box. Look for this red banner that says, have a large video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.